right, this amazing person, she's a mom. She's also a business owner herself. She's a mom. She's a business owner herself. And also she's very, very, very busy. Very, very, very busy. However, she got amazing results. That's why I cannot stop but asking her to share her story. Okay, so let us welcome Rass. Hi,
Hello,
Rass.
good afternoon, everyone.
Hello,
Yeah.
hello. Oh, I need to share your results over here. So look at amazing Rass, right? Mommy of how many kids have you got, Rass?
I have one daughter.
You have one daughter, and then this one was what was your dress size before? I can't stop already over here. I just need to
This
ask.
one is actually double XL. You can look at the below photo which I took just 1 week before I go for 10 days, means in the
double XL. XXL.
Yeah, double XL. Yes.
And then this one here?
Yeah, this is after I went for 10 days program, become M size.
XXL went to M.
Yes.
This one? XS. Look at
no,
that
this
line.
still remains M size, but because I still still maintain as what we are learning, still used to the healthy lifestyle. So our muscle and our body become more leaner and toner. That's why you look like smaller
I can
size.
see the waistline. Okay, sorry, I jumped up and down because I cannot stand already. Saw your amazing transformation. All right, so Rass, how do you get to know our 10-day lean and tone program?
I get to know from my friend Jessica. I found out that she has lean up a lot. Then I'm not interested on weight loss because I'm used to it with more than 10 years. So I think as an auntie should be expect as that. So when she told me she lost weight and her entire health has improved, then this is inspired me because I felt that women after 35 years old, they are getting a lot of problem on their health. So after I joined 10 days program, I improved a lot on my health. And as a bonus, I shape up myself, and really surprisingly that I can change from double XL to M size is just less than a year's time, means around 5 or 6 months.
Amazing, amazing, Rass. I can really feel the emotional connection now when you were sharing your story. It's like, oh, I thought I'm gonna be auntie for life, Rass. My age is not far from you. I'm also in your category, auntie. Yes. All right. Yeah. Okay. So, what did you learn from the 10 days lean and tone, and also how has it helped you in terms of your health and overall well-being?
Yeah, actually, I'm become so tired every day because I'm a very busy mom and business woman. So most of my time is spent on business and family. I have no time to rest. Even I took a lot of supplements. I feel tired all the time and here pain there. My whole body has the painful one. After I joined 10 days lean and tone program, I thought that to improve health, not only take a lot of supplements, but to eat healthily, have to take the balanced nutrients, and we have to get a healthy lifestyle.
So let's share your screen again. So over here, these are all your meals. Of course, many of us very busy moms, right, would definitely want to know you're working full time, you're running your own business, you have a daughter, and also how do you find time to really manage your meals and make it healthy?
After I joined this program, I thought that to lose weight and improve health is really easy because like before, I want to improve my health and become a vegetarian, but it doesn't work. So after I joined 10 days, from the guidance from my friend, I found that so easy to prepare for the food, and we just can get some mixed rice just out there if we are working and have no time. So it's very easy, and for me, it's easy to adopt to the meal meal preparation. And for morning breakfast, I do not need to headache to found out 1 or 2 hours just to prepare breakfast. That's the thing. And the breakfast is so nice because my friend is, we are so uh, interested to create a nice, pretty shake for our morning to create, to motivate us for whole day.
So by investing in your time in building this small little habits and also some self-love project for yourself, do you feel that you are happier every day?
Yeah, I feel happier because all our friends, and we have to say the community or the friends in the pickup, or even not in the pickup, in the lifestyle, we have the mood like we will go for exercise together. Even you can see we are trying to have the theme of the day for lifestyle hub exercise just to make us feel happy. This makes us our mood become happy, and indirectly we become happy not only from food but from your mood, which will
So
affect
overall,
your
the
hormone.
community and having a group of friends to do it together with you. So despite you being very, very busy, you were able to squeeze some time in your schedule just to make it happen so that you are in this group of community.
Yes.
Amazing, Rass. I'm so happy for you. Tell me more, right? Over here, you wanted to share as well, like what is all this about?
Okay. Actually, when I get my result, I just posted to show my happiness, to share my happiness. Okay. But from this excitement, we unforeseen means accidentally, like we can have a lot of friends that inspired by me and call up, even when during MCO they will buy Zoom or they will buy WhatsApp. And even though some people inspired by our result invite us to have a roadshow early at March.
So
Early of
you were
this
in
month,
a
March.
Women's Day kind of roadshow. You were invited there to inspire more mummies and more women to get in
Yes.
shape.
Yes.
Totally amazing. So just by changing your lifestyle, eating habits, getting fit, you start to inspire so many people around you. I am so impressed by it, Rass. Thank you so much for sharing. Okay, for a busy mom, right? No time. What is your words of encouragement for the audience out there, especially women or moms with many hats that do not have time to take care of themselves? What would you like to say to them?
Yeah, I want to say you just join in 10 days and tone program. You will learn how to love yourself, and whatever you don't know, the community will help you out, and you have plenty of ideas and ways to save time. In the meantime, you improve your health to love yourself more.
Hi. So Rex gave a really good tip already. If you want to save time, you start the Lean and Tone program, you will definitely get result. You don't need to test here and there, right? And then not getting a result, I share. Thank you so much, Rex. Yay!
Thank you.
Thank you.